people hear the word cancer, they usually think of, chemotherapy. So, this poisonous medicine that goes into your veins and often causes hair loss, often causes a lot of nausea and things like that. Cancer now remains a very scary word, absolutely. But it's no longer one disease, two disease. It's hundreds of individual, relatively rare diseases. So trends right now in the oncology space from a medicine lens, I always think of, treatments of cancer in one of three buckets. So the first is that, cytotoxic, very harsh chemotherapy that I just mentioned, but the other two are really the areas where, contemporary oncology practice is growing, and this is where we see big breakthroughs and therapeutic changes. One of those is immunotherapies. So immunotherapies are being used in many different types of cancer now. Those medicines are often given parenterally, which means either through an IV or through an injection. So our team doesn't work specifically with those at this point, but those medicines really ramp up your own body's immune system to fight the cancer, and that's been effective for certain types of cancer. The third sort of bucket, and this is where our team is really focused on, is targeted therapies. So these are molecules, medicines that identify one little space within a cancer pathway that is really driving or causing this cancer to happen. So these are often called, small molecules. They're often taken orally, and they target, a specific protein, receptor, enzyme, or something like that on the cancer cells. So cancer treatment is becoming more individualized.
If you loved that session and that conversation as much as I did, would love to have you join our People Playbook community in the link below.